In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube Shorts with pre-made videos that you can create in any niche in a matter of minutes. And these types of videos have the potential to make you tens of thousands of dollars in ad revenue. YouTube Shorts are absolutely blowing up, and you can see the videos are still getting hundreds of thousands of views in a matter of hours and close to millions of views in a matter of days. And what's so exciting right now is that YouTube is allowing YouTube Shorts to get monetized in 2023. Meaning that you're going to be able to make money on YouTube Shorts and get them monetized just like standard size videos. All you need to do is get 10 million views in 90 days and 1,000 subscribers. You're probably thinking, that's a lot of views, but when you take a look at the potential of YouTube Shorts, you can see that some videos have hit 19 million views in just 1 month. And what's so exciting about this is that I'm going to show you a niche that is absolutely blowing up. I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of this without showing your face on camera and without creating any of the videos yourself. These videos are really simple to put together, and I'm going to show you everything step by step so that you can take advantage of the opportunity to make money on YouTube Shorts and earn tens of thousands of dollars. But not only that, I'm also going to show you how you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus tip that can help you make even more money and quicker. So if you ever wanted to make money online, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you make money online. With that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts, which are still blowing up, and a lot of creators are taking advantage of this and making a lot of money through affiliate marketing. So you're going to be able to take advantage of this, and you'll also be able to start making money with ad revenue because you're going to be able to get into the YouTube Partner Program, and YouTube is going to be splitting this up. So you'll be earning 45% as the creator, and YouTube is going to be taking 55%. But don't forget that you can still create normal standard size videos with what I'm going to show you today so that you can make even more money with YouTube. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, and if you follow each and every step, you'll be ready to make money online. So what you're going to be doing today is signing up to a platform over here called InVideo.io. And the beautiful thing about InVideo is that it's literally drag and drop, so you can create videos within minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in this video. With 5,000 plus customizable templates, which are basically pre-made videos that you can customize and tweak a little bit and then upload them as YouTube Shorts. This will help you get the views you need to get your channel monetized and approved to get into the YouTube Partner Program and just start absolutely crushing it. So in order to get InVideo, all you need to do is click the link in the description below this video. But I want to show you something that's absolutely amazing when you sign up to InVideo. You can actually start absolutely for free. But InVideo has a big special at the moment, and as you can see, you can get it for as little as $15 if you go into the yearly plan. And if you go into the monthly plan, it's $30. And if you go with the yearly unlimited plan, it's $30. But I have a bigger savings for you. If you type in my code that I'm going to give you over here, which is MM25, and you hit apply, you're going to be able to see now that it's gone from $30 a month to $22.50 a month for the business plan. And if you take a look at the unlimited plan, you can see that if you were to go with the monthly, it's $60 a month. But if you enter my code MM25, hit apply, and go into the yearly plan, it's now costing you $22.50 a month for the unlimited plan, and just a little over $10 instead of $30 for the business plan. So you'll be spending just over $10, and you're going to get all the features to create amazing videos. So if you want to sign up and take advantage of this, just click the link in my description and make sure you use my code MM25. And that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, which is basically your InVideo dashboard. And as you can see, you have your templates, text to video, stock media, as well as your basic video editor. But today we'll be focusing on templates, so we're just going to select templates. And once that's pulled up, we're going to focus on a niche that's absolutely blowing up right now, which is the fitness niche. So just come into the upper right corner into your search bar, and we're going to type in fitness. And once that gets pulled up, you're going to see a bunch of templates that's related to fitness. And then over to your left, you have your aspect ratio, which is going to be landscape, square, as well as portrait. And since we'll be creating YouTube shorts, we're going to select portrait. And then just below that, you have the type of video that you want to create. So you just want to open this up, and since it'll be more like an educational video, we want to select listicles, explainer videos, tutorials, and how-to. And then you could just look through your templates. Here you have the top 5 strength training exercises. This one you have get the most out of your fitness routine. And as you can see, you can just hover your mouse over the template and you get a preview. And here's another good one, 3 exercises to avoid for a smaller waist. So now you just want to select your template. And once you select your template, up under it, you're also going to get your scenes. And you could just click on these to see them individually if you want to. Now you just want to make sure your template is selected for portrait and just select use template. Now it's going to load the video in our video editor and we could just customize it. And the beautiful thing about this is we don't have to show our face on camera. We don't even have to use our own voice because InVideo has an artificial voiceover, which I'm going to show you how to use in just a bit. So the first thing that I like to do is go ahead and get rid of the logo, and I'm just going to delete that from all scenes. Next, I'm just going to mute the music for now, select it, go to volume and fade, and I'm going to turn that all the way down. Now I'm going to go to our timeline, and as you can see, this right here is the title of the video, Best Exercises to Do at Home. And if you play it, all right, so we got planks here, start with 30 seconds and aim to get better every day. And then we have our cross crunches, side plank, as well as the Russian twist. And then there's the end of the video. Now here, if you wanted to change this text, you would just click on it to highlight it. And then you could just come up here and say something like, subscribe to Money Mark. So you could just ask them to subscribe to your channel. And then we could take this text, make it a little bit bigger, change the color of it so it'll stand out. Click here. Then we're just going to make that white, make it a little bit bigger and center it. And the good thing about these templates, if you want to, you could use the same template over and over again. What you could do is just a Google search. So if you want to Google search, let's say fitness facts, here are 12 fun facts about exercising, 48 fitness facts to keep you moving. So you can actually break these 48 fitness facts into bite-sized pieces for YouTube shorts. So you have a couple of videos here. You could also Google 5 simple home exercises. And you get a lot of video ideas here. So it's not going to be hard. You don't have to do much brainstorming to come up with content to create these videos. Now that we come back to InVideo, we just have to think of what type of video that we want to create. So we have our first scene, best exercises to do at home. So we could just go up here into our title and we could just call this 5 best exercises to do at home. And if we look at our first scene, this is going to be planks. And I really don't like this in a circle, so I'm just going to delete this. And now I'm going to go to videos and I'm just going to search exercise planks. And you could just scroll through here and see which one you like. I'm going to select this one here. And then I'm going to click trim video to fit scene. And the reason you want to do that is because you don't want the video to run longer than your scene here. So we're just going to take that, move it up. Then we could adjust this. And if you want to, you can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, and let's see how that looks. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And by the way, make sure you guys stay to the end of the video. I have one little small tweak that you can use to really get a lot of affiliate sales. That's coming up. Now we're going to focus on the music. And if you come over here to the left and just select music, you can see that you have your moods and genres. But in this case, I'm just going to select motivational. And then you can sample your music if you want to. Just hit play and you would just hit add. And then as you can see, that just added it right here. But I really like the YouTube music library, so I'm just going to delete this. And I'm going to come over to YouTube. Okay, I'm just going to download this one. Come back over to InVideo. I'm going to go here to uploads. And I'm just going to drag this here and drop it. All right, then I'm just going to add that. And as you can see, we got that here. So let's see. Okay, that's sounding pretty good. Just click on it, go to volume and fade and maybe turn it down a little bit. All right, now we're going to add our voiceover. If you come here and click on voiceover, you will see that we have a couple of options here. You have your automated text to speech. You can also import from uploads if you already have a voiceover. You can also record your voice, but we're going to work on automated text to speech. And here's where you will enter your text of what you want the system to say. So if we just take this here and copy this text, go back to voiceover, automated text to speech, we're just going to paste that in. And here we could just put planks, comma, and now we just want to sample the voiceovers. So let's see what Sally sounds like.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
I kind of like Matthew, so I'm going to select Matthew and I'm going to drag my head back to the beginning of this scene here. So this is where the voiceover will enter. And then I'm just going to select generate voiceover. We're just going to add that to scene. And now let's see.
Planks, start with 30 seconds and aim to get better every day.
Okay, so that's looking pretty good. And that's how simple it is to create a YouTube short, guys. And you would just do that for each and every single scene. So the only thing to do next is just go ahead and export your project. That's going to be 1080p. You could only export in 720p if you're using the free version. And if you're using the free version, you could just come over to a website like Pexels and just search for your fitness videos here and you could download it. And you would just come back over to InVideo, go to uploads, and you would just upload it. But we're going to go ahead and export this 1080p and export. Now we're just going to wait for it to render. Okay, and now that it's downloaded to my computer, we're going to upload it to YouTube. Okay, and now that we created our video, what we want to do is upload it to YouTube. So just come over to YouTube and click this little icon in the upper right corner. You're going to get a drop down and just click on upload video. And once that opens up, we're going to drag our video and drop it here. Okay, next we just want to remove this file name, and the name of our video is 5 best exercises to do at home, and just make sure you put in hashtag shorts. And then I'm just going to remove my video description. And you also want to paste the title in the description as well. Shorts, I also like to put that in at the bottom of my description. So we have the 5 best exercises to do at home in our title as well as in the description for SEO. And then just below this, you might want to list out the 5 different exercises that you put into the video. But before you put in those 5 best exercises, just below the title, you want to put in your affiliate link so that you can monetize your videos. So what you can do is just come over to a website like ClickBank and sign up. And once you sign up, you can go to your affiliate marketplace and just scroll down. And since our YouTube shorts are about health and fitness, you can just scroll through and select health and fitness. And you could just look through the products and see what you want to promote. This right here I found to be pretty good, and you can make $145 per sale. So what I would do is just promote this, and you would just click on create hop link, and then you would copy that. And then you would just go to a YouTube shortener, so something like bit.ly, and you would just paste that in there and click shorten. So copy that, and then we would come back over to YouTube, and you could just say something like, if you want to lose weight really fast, take a look at this amazing supplement you can start taking today. And then you would just paste in your affiliate link. Now people do look in the description of your YouTube shorts, so you would definitely make sales. And you want to make sure that you're monetizing your video in every way possible. But if you stuck through to the end of the video, now I have that bonus tip for you that's going to help you triple your affiliate sales. So now what we'll do is go back to InVideo, the text at the end when you ask people to subscribe to your channel. Instead of saying that, what you want to say is click link in pinned comment. So not only will you be telling people to click the link in the pinned comment, and you can get creative with this text. You can let them know how to lose weight, click link in the pinned comment, tips to lose weight in the pinned comment. So you can really get creative with this text that you put at the end to let people know to click that link. And also, when people are on YouTube shorts, they tend to always go through the comments and look through the comments. So this is really a good way that you can triple your sales in affiliate marketing on YouTube shorts. This is how simple it is for you to start creating these amazing videos on InVideo using all of these different types of templates. And all that's left for you to do now is to come back over to InVideo and repeat the process. These videos get a lot of views, and as you can see, you can come over to YouTube Shorts and you can see a lot of these videos are absolutely crushing it. If you're going to be one of the first to get started with this in 2023, you're going to be one of the channels making a lot of money with YouTube Shorts and absolutely crushing it. It's quite possible that within 12 months from now, you could be earning anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, supplementing an income, or leave your 9 to 5. It's completely up to you. I just wanted to show you one of the best ways that you can make money with YouTube Shorts in 2023. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.